If you want to create an account on ReelShort app, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. First of all, go ahead and open up the ReelShort app. And as you can see, you're gonna wait for a few moments and you're gonna just not allow tracking. You're gonna agree to the terms and policies. And then let me close this window. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and click the profile at the bottom right, and then I'm gonna click sign in or sign up with my account. And as you can see right here in the sign in, I'm gonna be able to sign in with my Facebook or Google or Apple or TikTok. I'm gonna use the Facebook, and I'm gonna double click to continue right here. And basically, as if like you're signing up to your account, there is an option to sign up with a manual way, which is, you know, signing with your name, password, and everything. So it's as smooth as that. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.